Gypsum. Gypsum is calcium sulfate dihydrate. A naturally occurring mineral is essential nutrient for plant growth and development, particularly for roots and shoots. It also improves plants' ability to take in other essential nutrients, such as ammonium nitrogen. Since calcium cannot move from old to new plant tissues, a constant supply of soluble calcium is required for optimum plant health. Particularly for azalea, camellia, rhododendrons, and other acid-loving salts, they need calcium too. Gypsum is an excellent source of calcium and sulfur. King in calcium exhibits symptoms like discolored patches on fruits, blossom and rot on tomato, peppers, melon or squash, dead buds and root tips, shading of blossoms or buds prematurely, weak stems, burnt tips on the young leaves of lettuce, celery and cabbage. Various plants require sulfur for protein synthesis. Sulfur is important for nodule formation on legume roots and also responsible for smell of onion and garlic. Plants lacking in sulfur deficiency exhibit symptoms like young leaves turn to yellow in color, slow growth rate and delay in plant maturity. In both of these cases, adding gypsum to your garden is a great way to cure calcium and sulfur deficiency. Gypsum is ready for plant absorption immediately. Gypsum helps break up compacted soil. Tightly packed clay soils can be problematic, since water and other essential nutrients run off the surface rather than penetrate into the soil for plants' utilization. Gypsum helps to loosen clay soil and improve soil structure by transforming tightly packed larger clumps to small fine particles to make soil more porous, allowing air, water and nutrients to reach to the root zone. This encourages better root growth and results more stronger and healthier plants. Gypsum changes the soil composition through flocculation process. So, gypsum works as a soil improver, help to improve poor soil conditions. When plant absorb excess salt through the roots, it interferes chlorophyll production and photosynthesis, so plants growth stunted and can't produce new leaves and flowers. Lawn grasses looks brown and discolored. Gypsum acts to replace the excess salt with its calcium sulfate, which heals the plant and encourages new growth by reducing salt levels in soil. Applying gypsum in your garden. Gypsum is non-toxic, safe for people and pests. It works well for yard, garden, lawn, vegetable and flower garden, and around trees and shrubs. It is sold commercially in a granular, powdered or pellet for use in home gardens. For large-scale agricultural level, gypsum is used for soil conditioning and fertilizing. One dose is not a permanent solution. You may need to apply gypsum time to time. My suggestion is to add organic matter compost manure with gypsum and mix with garden soil to get more benefits for good soil amendment, improved drainage, erosion control, better air circulation, more workable soil for seedling emerge and plant growth. Water immediately after applying gypsum on the soil for starting its work. Gypsum is easy to use and is not expensive, so, for easy gardening, for reconditioning your garden soil, every year use gypsum. It is recommended for your flower, vegetable garden and lawn. Best of luck and happy gardening. If you are satisfied and benefited from this video, give it a like, share it to your friends.